Hi guys, we're back with a very large Stitch Fix unboxing today. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a curated clothing subscription service. You can get it monthly or you can get it just one box at a time, whatever suits your needs. Now I apologize that my hair is not, I guess, as sleek as normal. I'm trying to think of like things kids say, like lingo and stuff, but I realized sleek was something I probably used back in college, so just excuse me. You know, I apologize. Anyways, I don't honestly remember what I was saying. I just had a complete, I was apologizing for my hair. That is because today the goal is to try on some athleisure wear. Now that we've gotten Roxy, we've made sure to take her on a walk or adventure time every single day. And because of that, it's getting really freaking hot here in Texas. And I need some I don't really have a whole lot of just like casual athleisure wear, and I'm really picky. I did look at Walmart. I was not super impressed by anything they had. I did manage to find something at Ross, or maybe it was TJ Maxx, or maybe it was Marshall's. I went to a lot of places. I found a couple things there, but they're definitely more sweatpants. I'm gonna need like some good shorts. So I, wrote up to my stylist, like, listen, I need some athleisure wear. Then the preview came. There's definitely one item in here that is very much not athleisure, but I saw it and I couldn't say no to trying it on. I doubt they'll even fit me, but anyways, enough spoilers. We'll get into that. This is the invoice. I don't like to look at that until the end. Hypothetically, I do know the price of everything, or at least everything I picked, but yeah, we don't like to look at that until the end. And then this is your note from your stylist with all the 5 items that are in your box, which this does remind me about something else for this box. I did also mention I need some new casual like slip-on sandals because my last pair, they're flip-flops I got from Old Navy when I was in high school, and they broke a couple weeks ago and I was so sad. That being said, while I was on my birthday shopping trip through Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, etc., I did find a new pair. So we'll see. I don't know. These sandals have to be really heckin' cute in order for me to want to keep them. Excuse me. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what my stylist has to say. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day, and welcome to Fix number 33. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I'm so glad to see that you found multiple items that you look forward to trying on. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Beyond Yoga dark gray biker shorts paired with the FP Movement by Free People Performance tank, and add some sneakers for a fun and comfy athleisure option. How do the shorts fit you? Do you like the style of the tank? Unfortunately, I could not find a request for tan booties and blazers, but try out Freestyle in the app or on stitchfix.com. Oh yeah, I basically just gave her a list of like, these are all the things I need because I need the tan booties for a wedding. I'm still looking for a good blazer. I'm just picky. That's it. It's me. There's something wrong with me. Anyways, please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend, Brittany. So I do remember picking some of these out. Some of this stuff I did not pick out, but generally speaking, hypothetically, the theme of this box was athleisure wear. So my bundle is very small today, and we'll get to that in a minute, and that is because we got a couple of shoes to try on. So we'll go ahead and start out with my teeny tiny little bundle. So this first item, I think, are the shorts. Now, I'm a little worried about these shorts. I'm worried they're going to be way too heckin' tight. 2, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've got some curves, and I'm afraid I'm going to look just absolutely obscene in these shorts, but they might be fine. I don't know. We won't know unless we try it on. So if you want to see me make a fool of myself, stay tuned. This next item was also very much out of my comfort zone, but the color was right. So anyways, this is the top. I thought this was going to be way bigger. I don't think you're supposed to wear a sports bra with this, but looking at this, like, I think this is a sports bra maybe. I don't know. I'm going to look at the stylist card, see if there's any help. I'm going to say that this is the sports bra. we'll see what happens. I might have to pair it with one of mine when I try it on, depending on how obscene it is, because I don't want this YouTube to get flagged, or I don't want this video to get flagged by YouTube for inappropriateness. And then lastly, I don't believe I picked these out. I might have, I don't remember. But these are very cute nonetheless, and they're very similar to what I've been what I got from Home Goods, or not Home Goods. Home Goods doesn't sell clothes. Marshalls. This reminds me, these are just a basic kind of cargo short style capri pant. This very much reminds me of like the year 2001 for some reason. Either way, clearly things are coming back in style. They look cute. We'll see whether or not they're a keeper. And now we will go to our first pair of shoes for this fix. So, looking at the label, these are very much not athleisure wear, but I couldn't help myself. I saw these in my preview and I was like, I have to try these on. I'm kind of worried they're not going to fit, but yes, these are over the knee boots and they're very cute. Now, the reason why I'm concerned they're not going to fit is one, I have some thick calves. And I also got some thick thighs. Thick thighs save lives. But anyways, we'll see whether or not I'm actually able to show them to you, or whether or not I can even get them on my leg. But again, I could not say no. So, moving on to our last item. It is a pair of sandals. I did not pick these. At least I don't think I did. But we'll go ahead and give you a looky-loo. So these are cute, don't get me wrong, but I really wanted something slide on, and I don't really need something else where I need to like buckle. Like I already have a sandal like that. I very specifically wanted slide on sandals. So we'll see whether or not these cut the bill or fit the grade or whatever word phrasing you want to use. But with that being said, let's go ahead and start trying some stuff on. So I didn't feel like that either of the shoes really went with an outfit per se, or at least any of them that I got today. This actually goes really well with the dress that I'm already wearing. Now, I really like these. They're pretty comfy. They're fitting better than I thought they would. I'm just hesitant because I don't really need them, but they're also cute. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so this is not a Stitch Fix dress. This is a dress I had in my closet that I thought would go with this. These pair of boots really, really well. Turns out this dress is maybe just a little bit too long. Maybe not. I don't know. Either way, this dress is actually going to be listed on my Poshmark shop soon, because when I tried it on, I realized it is too tight in the bust now. So be on the lookout for my Poshmark shop. It will be linked into the description box down below. It has a bunch of my Stitch Fix rejects. Whenever I decide to do a 5 for 5 because it's cheaper and then I want to actually keep all 5, I'll usually list those bonus items on my Poshmark shop. But anyways, on to the boots. So they actually do fit. I was very surprised I was able to get them on. They do have a little bit of stretch to them. They do keep slinking above the knee, which is a little annoying. I could probably just use some fashion tape to correct that, I'm guessing. I don't know. If I do end up keeping these, I'll end up wearing these at some point and trying them on and letting you know. The fit is it's a little rough in the foot area, but I might just need a good pair of socks or something like that, because I did try these on without socks. I'm not gonna lie, these are very cute. Mike saw them most of the time. He thinks Stitch Fix is a ripoff, but he saw these boots and he's like, well, you gotta keep them, right? Like, he's bugging me now that I have to keep these boots. So anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the description box below. I think I might have to keep them. I also kind of feel like a superhero. Like, I feel like I need a bam. So here is outfit number 1 / I'm not sure if I'm gonna pair this top with the capris. So I'm treating this like a sports bra that you can wear out in public. If it were cold, I would not be able to wear this. If you know, ladies. I like this. It's a little too constricting up here. Now, this outfit I think would be super cute for yoga. Don't get me wrong, but I only do yoga at home. I don't take yoga classes. I usually just do it in a t-shirt and a pair of workout shorts. However, if I wanted to make an impression at the gym, this outfit would be very cute. So, like I said, so the top, it's a little too tight here. It's gonna be a no for me, dog. I don't like it. Too much constriction right here. It is cute. It's not super comfy though, and I'm worried, especially power walking with the dog. There's just going to be too much friction and it's just not going to be a good time. As far as the pants go, I really did not think the bottoms were going to look this cute. I was worried that they were going to be just, I don't know, obscene. They're cute. They're comfy, but I was so worried putting these on that I was actually going to rip them because this is smaller. It's the smallest part of the outfit, and it almost did not get up over my hips. So I know this is the style right now, especially in athleisure wear, and I'm glad that I tried it on. Don't get me wrong. I just think these pieces are a no for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I would cause like a freaking riot out here in the suburbs when I go out to take Roxanne a walk? We'll see. We'll try on the last pair of pants. Okay, so for our last outfit, it's the same top, just with the capri pants, which they're cute. They're a little tighter than I would like them to be, but they are very, very cute. I do like the pockets. Pockets are always good, especially when I'm taking the dog for a walk. My problem with these is most likely going to be the price, because the other pair I got at Ross were like $12. So, anyways, I guess with that being said, let's go take a look at the invoice. Okay, let's see what kind of damage I can do. So, this top that I'm wearing, this is only $30, which, hey, it's possibly the cheapest thing I've ever gotten in a Stitch Fix box. The shorts were $68. Those are going back. The capris that I'm wearing right now are $42.09. Why? I don't know. It just seems like a very odd, specific 9 cents. I have questions. I don't know. Again, they're cute. I don't know if they're like clearance or what's going on. I don't know. Anyways, moving on. The over-the-knee boots are $89.99, which possibly might be the only thing I keep in this box. And then the sandals are $49.50. So subtotal is $279.58. If I keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. So with our new subtotal of keeping all 5, the new total would be $209.68. Now, like I mentioned, the only thing I'm probably keeping are the booties. But this is the time of my video where I'm like, listen, if you liked anything, should I do a keep 5 and put the rest in my Poshmark shop? Let me know. I do try to keep my keep 5 discount and pass it on to you. Like pro tip, I might originally price things higher, but that's because people barter on Poshmark and very rarely just click the button that says buy at this price. So I do that on purpose. I price it higher so you can barter down. Okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, turning on that notification bell. And stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay cool out there, my friends. Bye.